Hi, my name is Jess and I'm the clinic director here at Rocky Mountain Laser College, and we're here to show you our expanded training facility. So first, when you come to see us, we'll start with your basic safety and physics in our classroom. By day 2, we'll actually have you hands-on lasers over at our hands-on training facility where you'll be trained on numerous lasers. In our expanded training facility, it's allowed for our instructors all to come together in one room, allowing our students to jump from one treatment to another, whether it's hair removal to tattoo removal or tattoo removal to skin rejuvenation. We have found in the laser industry we use all lasers for all different types of procedures. Here's just a few of the lasers we have for skin rejuvenation. Here at the college, we are very lucky to have 5 different CO2 devices, 4 IPL devices, as well as some non-ablative devices which allow for skin rejuvenation without any downtime. We'll come over here to our Pico laser, which is one of our new favorites. Pico is used for tattoo removal, but we have found is working beautifully on skin lightening, from melasma to lightening of elbows, underarms, and feminine body parts. And then we get to one of our old school devices, but one of our devices that works still the best, our Cynosure Elite. We use this for laser hair removal, and we also love them so much we have 5 different Cynosure Elites here at the college. We do find this is the industry standard for laser hair removal to be able to do dark skin and light skin laser hair removal. So we'll get into our 6-day training course. On Monday, we'll start with a basic introduction of what you will be learning throughout the week. Then we will get into safety and physics, and by the end of Monday, actually get you on hands-on lasers on paper to get you ready for the week. Tuesday, we'll be getting into laser hair removal, also vein reduction, toe fungus, sunspots, and anything laser hair removal devices. Wednesday, we'll get into laser tattoo removal, starting with Q switching to Pico technology. That's used for tattoo removal, also as well used on melasma. Thursday, we'll get into all skin rejuvenation, from brown spots, red spots, face tightening, acne scars, wrinkle reduction. Friday, we are going to be getting into circumference reduction. Friday afternoon is a free-for-all. We want you to get on the lasers that you want to learn most. We have on average up to 36 models for our students to work on in the afternoons of Friday, varying from laser hair removal, tattoo removal, skin rejuvenation, as well as body contouring. Here at the college, we offer an advanced course which allows our students to come in twice a month and have a little bit more hands-on, but with more advanced trainings one-on-one with your instructor. We offer a free refresher course as well. We know a lot of our graduates go to start their laser career and maybe not get straight into tattoo removal. A few years down the road, want to start offering tattoo removal but can't really remember the specifics. So we always welcome you to come back, sit in for a refresher, just to see the newest technology and make sure you're grasping the newest thing you will be bringing to your practice.